you've been struggling with creating video ads for TikTok Shop, Amazon, wherever it is you sell things, there's never been an easier tool like the one I am about to show you today. So this tool is called Nextify AI. Played around with it myself in the past. I've actually got a full in-depth tutorial, which I'm going to go into later on in the video, but I'm just going to walk you through at a high level what exactly this tool offers and what you can do with it. It will be linked somewhere in the description or in the pinned comment if you want to have a little play around with it as well. Again, primarily for if you want to create social commerce videos without showing your face, if you want to test out new product offerings, if you want to just try things out, test before you go all in and create actual human-led videos, why not try something like this? So let's start at the very top. So Nextify overall, it is a tool that is created for generating video content. It does create static ads as well for the purpose of for the purpose of selling online. Again, whether you're into drop shipping, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're selling on TikTok Shop, whether you are selling on Shopify, Amazon, wherever it is that you are doing your social commerce, it might be a tool for you. Starting at the top, the offerings that we've got the video ads tab, we've got static ads, we've got avatar ads, all on those two a little bit later on. And then of course, on the left-hand side, their home and the different types of content that you can create here, which again is the avatar, video ads and static ads, and some templates that you can save as well. So if I go back to the top here, so we've also got under video ads an option to reference. If I click on that, you'll see it takes us onto an image upload or a reference upload folder. And what this does is allows you to reference an existing image of, say, a product or whatever it is that you're selling on, or whatever concept you've got for creating this video. Most likely, if you are an affiliate or if you are selling online, it's going to be a product of some sort, right? So you can do that. And what I also like is you can add a start and end frame to your video as well to create your AI video as well. So say, for example, you are wanting to create a video about a person combing their hair with this new electric brush. I know that's a terrible example, but you could have the start frame being the brush on its own, and then you could have your end frame being the person actually using that. What the AI will do is then detect that, analyze it, and create a video of a person starting and using that brush based on the frames that you upload. You've also got this option to prompt here. Now you can add your own prompt from other tools like ChatGPT, Claude, whatever it is, but this also allows you to expand prompts, right? So here I've clicked on the prompt option. Just quickly read what it says. After uploading product images, AI can automatically recognize the product information, improve the quality of prompt words. Are you sure you want to continue without any pictures? So it's basically saying here, look, it's completely pointless to try and use me without any photos, references, or pictures. Upload some photos first. I'll analyze them, and then I'm going to give you an idea of what kind of prompt you can create based on the photos that you upload. But again, more on that a little bit later on. Maximum 5,000 characters. And if you have uploaded a prompt, this will expand that prompt for you. It'll offer an option to enrich and bring out more detail within that prompt. A bit further down here, we've got video ad generator, and this takes you to all the different offerings that you are able to use here. We've got talking actors, static ad generator, ad image generator, and a bunch of other tools that you might want to consider using when it comes to digital marketing with. I'm gonna go through each and every single one of them here, but just so you know, that option is there. Now, if you've been around AI video for any amount of time, you'll be familiar with all the different video models that are out there. Most notably, one that you've heard of most likely quite a lot will be VO3, C Dance, you've got Kling, 2.6, 2.5, Alibaba. There's a bunch of different video models that you can use here that you can briefly create these videos. And 2.6, obviously the higher the quality of the model, the more credits you are going to get charged. So do keep that in mind, but you have got access to those models there, which is something to be aware of. Aspect ratio, you can make your videos portrait 9 by 16. You can make them horizontal 16 by 9, depending on what your use case is. You can play around with the time as well, 15 seconds, 8, 4, depending on your use case and depending on what your competition is doing and what's working currently. Obviously, you want to have a look and see what works best for your example. Now, when it comes to generating those test videos, do I generate 1, 2, 3? This gives you an option to generate multiple videos at once, which I wouldn't normally advise to do. Maybe just go with 1 to start with, or 2 just to get an idea of what the outcome is going to be like. What it comes back to is this box here, this prompt box. The clearer this is, and the clearer the direction that you give it here, then the clearer the outcome is going to be. Scrolling a little bit further down, we have got some winning ad examples here. Now, good thing about this tool is you can actually clone these ads. It's already got these ads that are created for you. So if I click on this one, for example, you've got an option to clone this ad. So I can click on that and that will take you to this window that pops up. It's already uploaded a reference image for you, which is the image of these boots here. It's got a prompt section where it's already created the prompt for you, very detailed prompt, broken down into narrative, product, opening, timeline, shots, as well as style, motion, visual consistency, human figures, audio, and negative prompting there, what to avoid. So it gives you that head start in terms of where to start from. Again, you could steal a prompt like this and upload it right at the top there if you wanted to use that for inspiration. Gives you a pretty good starting point compared to starting from scratch. You can do pretty much all of that with these ones as well. You've also got an option for quoting actors. So that goes back here. So these different options here. As we scroll down, we are exploring these different tabs here as well. So talking actors. So again, it's the same concept as the ads at the top. All you do is just hover.
Hey there, I'm an AI digital human. Hey there, I'm an AI digital human.
And if you click on it, it'll take you to this page where, similar idea again, you have got reference image, in this case, a video, and you have got prompt. Now, what this allows you to do is get this fictional AI avatar actor to talk about your product that you are marketing. So you could use that ad on TikTok Shop, you could use it on Facebook, you can use it on Shopify, whatever it is you do your marketing. Now, you've got different tones that you can adjust here as well, and different emotions: cheerful, annoyed, confident, helpful, proud, enthusiastic. And you can adjust these based on your use case as well. Where it's got cheerful, you can change that. You can add speech emotion here and there. You can talk to speech, so you can add your own audio there. And there's a bunch of different alternatives that you can play around with. I just clicked on add speech emotion and it shuffled and played around with the different options that I can add there as well, all depending on what it is that your use case is. Same thing applies with all these different ones here as well. And another thing as well,
Hey there, I'm an AI digital human.
it's not just the actors and actresses that are on that front page there that you can add. If you click on add actors, this takes you to an even wider library of fictional actors that you can add. If I scroll down there, you'll see there's a bunch of different varieties of individuals. You've got different skin tones, different settings, different accessories that they're carrying, different environments, different moods. So just a lot to play around with. You can also filter based on the situation that they're in, the age, the gender, as well as skin tone, emotion, calm, enthusiastic. So again, that flexibility and just having all those different options to try and align as closely as possible to your use case. So I'm just going to close that down, close this one down as well. And if we scroll further down, we've got the static ad generator. You know the deal, pretty much the same. We can clone this ad. And what you want to keep in mind as well, as you are cloning and as you are playing around with different alternatives, if you find a template that works, you can save it within your template folder here, within your project folder, which you can create. You can add a new project, name it, and you can select where you want to add it. You can edit it as a new folder, whatever it is that you want to. It'll be appearing on the left of the screen there once you edit. So same concept, you can clone this static ad. It's giving you a reference image there, but if your product is different, you can click on upload your image, you can remove that one and you can add your own image. And you can work around this prompt. It's already given you a beginner starter prompt there. You can adjust these different parameters. You've got text element, these different colors. Basically, it's going through the different text elements that are on the different colors, size, and position of them. So if you want to go into detail and adjust those, you can, but it is a little bit in-depth. So what I would advise doing here is, rather than have to think through all the content position, font size, font style, color, and emphasis of each graphic element, I would take that and chuck it into something like ChatGPT and just say, hey, this is a skeleton prompt that I would like to use to create this product, and just tell it in natural language, I want to create an image for a orange cup, whatever it is that you are selling, with this colors here, with this text. And ChatGPT will think through that, and it'll translate your natural language into something that fits this prompt skeleton here. And again, once you've got that skeleton, you simply just save the template so you can use it again. And yeah, a bunch of different options here. Product in hand. Again, if you are someone maybe that's selling t-shirts, print on demand, or something that can be held within your marketing message, image, video, you've got these templates that you can play around with as well. So I'm just
Let me
gonna clone
introduce
that.
one of our
Same concept as I've mentioned with the other options, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. You've got B-roll, showcase. If you're creating an ad, if you're talking in that ad and you want some images to show in the background, you want a carousel showcasing your product, something along those lines, you've got that option with this as well. And let me know in the comments if you would like me to create an in-depth tutorial on how to go from literally nothing to having a fully completed created ad using by. And the more people request it, the more likely that I will create that tutorial fairly shortly. There's gestures and a bunch of different things here. I won't go into too much detail, but I did promise you that there is an existing older tutorial that I've done on Nextify, and that goes into a lot more detail than I am doing in this video. And I'm actually going to link that in the description. I'm also going to link it in the pinned comment as well, if you'd like to go and check that out. But yeah, Nextify, if you're a marketer, if you're a seller, if you're an affiliate marketer, Shopify, TikTok Shop, Facebook ads, whatever it is you use to market your products. If you don't want to show your face, why not give this tool a go? Again, linked in the description or in the pinned comment somewhere. Let me know your thoughts, what tool you use, why you use it. And yeah, I will catch you on the next one.